Have you ever felt like the more you try to hold on to someone, the more they slip away? What if I told you there's a hidden psychological trick that can make her see you in a whole new light? A trick that doesn't involve chasing, begging, or trying to prove your worth. Stick around because today, I'm revealing the unspoken secrets of attraction, why giving her space can actually make her chase you, and how you can use this to create a connection that's deeper, stronger, and more magnetic than ever before. Trust me, this is going to change everything you thought you knew about relationships. Let's dive in. Let's start with a question. What makes someone truly irresistible? Is it their looks, their charm, or something deeper? Here's the truth. Attraction isn't just about what you say or do. It's about what you don't say or do. You see, women are naturally drawn to men who have an air of mystery, confidence, and independence. And one of the most powerful ways to cultivate that is by giving her space. Now, I know what you're thinking. If I give her space, won't she just forget about me? Actually, the opposite is true. Let me explain why. Here's where it gets fascinating. Women's psychology shows that emotional attraction thrives on balance. When you're always available, it can unintentionally send the message that you don't have much going on in your life. And while that might seem harmless, it can actually make you seem less intriguing. But when you give her space, something magical happens. She starts to miss you. She wonders what you're up to. She starts to appreciate the time you do spend together even more. This isn't about playing games. It's about creating a healthy dynamic where she has the chance to feel your absence and realize how much she values your presence. Let's talk about the scarcity principle. This is a psychological concept that says people value things more when they're not always available. Think about it. When something is rare or hard to get, it instantly becomes more desirable. The same applies to relationships. When you're not constantly around, it gives her the chance to miss you. It creates a sense of longing and anticipation that can actually strengthen her emotional connection to you. But here's the key. It's not about ignoring her or being distant. It's about showing her that you have a life outside of the relationship, a life that's full, exciting, and worth pursuing. Now, let's get into the how. Giving her space doesn't mean disappearing or being cold. It's about finding the right balance. Here are 3 actionable tips to do it right. 1. Focus on your own growth. Spend time on your passions, hobbies, and goals. This not only makes you more interesting, but also shows her that you're a man with purpose. 2. Let her initiate. Don't always be the first to text or call. Give her the chance to reach out to you. This creates a healthy back-and-forth dynamic. 3. Be fully present when you're together. When you do spend time with her, be all in. Put away distractions, listen actively, and make every moment count. This makes your time together even more special. Here's a little secret straight from women's psychology. Women are naturally drawn to men who challenge them emotionally. When you're always available, it removes that challenge. But when you give her space, it creates a sense of mystery and intrigue. Women want to feel like they've earned your attention, not like it's just handed to them. By giving her space, you're showing her that your time and energy are valuable, and that makes you even more desirable in her eyes. So, there you have it. The hidden key to making her chase you isn't about chasing her. It's about creating a dynamic where she wants to chase you. Remember, confidence, independence, and a little bit of mystery go a long way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on relationships, psychology, and personal growth. And hey, drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this strategy. Have you tried giving someone space? How did it work out? Let's chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay confident, stay authentic, and keep creating those sparks.